My slow cooker has really been getting to work out this week, and have I got a recipe for you. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making a tamale pie in my slow cooker, and this is so easy and it really turned out very good. We really liked it a lot. It's got cornmeal, hamburger meat, Rotel tomatoes, cheese, all that good stuff. So if you like content and recipes like this, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Share this video, help my channel to grow. I would so appreciate it, and it doesn't cost you anything. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first of all I'm going to spray my crock pot with some non-stick spray. Now I've got 3/4 cup of cornmeal, and to that I'm going to add 1.5 cups of milk. I've got an egg that I've beaten. I've got, it calls for a package of chili seasoning. I'm using taco seasoning because it's pretty much the same flavors. I have got a can of the tomatoes with the green chilies. And I've got a can of whole kernel corn that's been drained. And we just want to mix this well. And I'm going to add a pound of hamburger meat that's been browned. This is the first time I've made this, but it sounds really good. Okay. Now I'm going to pour this into my slow cooker. Spread it out really well. I'm going to put my lid on, and I'm going to turn it on to high, and I want to cook this on high for 1 hour, and then I'm going to turn it to low for 3 hours. So I'll see you then. Alright, I cooked it on high for 1 hour, and I cooked it on low for 3 hours. It smells good. Now I'm just going to cover it with grated cheese and cook it for 5 more minutes. And I'll see you then. Alright, doesn't that look good? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. All this helps my channel to grow, and I so appreciate it. Until next time, bye y'all.